Nigeria's first military head of state, Major General Johnson Aguiyi-Ironsi, came to power violently and met the same end just 194 days later. Born in 1924, Aguiyi-Ironsi was a seasoned soldier who had led Nigerian troops in the Congo crisis. He took control of Nigeria in January 1966 after suppressing a coup led by Major Chukwuma Kaduna Nzeogwu that had overthrown the civilian government. However, his failure to prosecute the coup leaders, most of whom were from his own Igbo tribe, immediately sparked fierce opposition from other ethnic groups. Aguiyi-Ironsi inflamed tensions further by issuing decrees, notably Decree No. 34, that abolished Nigeria's federal structure in favor of a centralized military rule, which non-Igbo groups viewed as repressive. His short rule ended on July 29, 1966, when he was visiting the western region capital of Ibadan. Despite a warning from Governor Adekunle Fajuyi, Aguiyi-Ironsi was unable to contact his chief of staff before soldiers, led by Captain Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma, Ojukwu, stormed Government House. Both Aguiyi